All right, check her out. I just bought this off of Amazon for, it's a 13, 250 bucks. That's a pretty good price. So let's go ahead and we'll unbox this bad boy. And it looks like it's been opened once. It does not look, the packaging is not really, it looks like somebody just sent this back and then they sent it to me. We'll find out, right? We'll check it out. All right, so we got it out of there. And yeah. Get rid of that. So we got unzipper. Just so you can see, comes in this nifty case. So we popped it open, right? Let's take a look at it. Hang on. All right. So anyway, here we are. Look, it looks like it's got a MicroSD card with it. It's got one of these doohickeys. It's got one of these doohickeys. And it's got one of these doohickeys. And I do believe it's got another, oh look, it's got 2 batteries. Check it out. So this does come with 2 batteries. That's nice. All right, so let's set those back in there. And of course, here's the camera. Bam, Bob's your uncle. That is the 13 black. They really haven't changed these very much since, I think, like the 10. I think they've been pretty much the same thing. I don't know if there's something under there. I do believe we've got some stuff here. Let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, so it does come with, I don't know why they package it like this. It does come with a cord, which is a USB-C to USB-C, which I have a million of those. So, you know, I'll throw that over there. And this is kind of interesting. Look at this. I like it. It looks, 128 gigabyte SanDisk Extreme. That's good. That's worth money. You know, usually you don't get one of these with it. But apparently I got one with this. I don't think there's anything else under here. Let's see. Nope, nothing else. This is good. I'm going to just take all this stuff out of here. Or maybe I'll leave it in. I don't know. Oh, this was like this. Yeah, that's how that was. We'll get rid of that one. But anyway, that's what comes in this box. And I don't, oh, look, see. So this has this here you can hook onto all of your stuff. It's a little bit different than the old one that I had in that, yeah, it feels a little bit lighter. I don't know if there's a battery in here or not, but we could take a look and see what's going on here. Oh yeah, there's no battery in this. So we've got to insert the battery. That's where you charge it. That's where you put your micro SD card, and that's where you put your battery. Also, it comes with all this stuff. So we've got to update the camera, which means we've got to do a software or firm update. So yeah, that gives you an idea how to do that. You can subscribe and to get the most out of your GoPro. These are stickers you can use. Pro tips for cold weather. It's in different languages. And have product questions? Apparently, we've got answers in here. So that all comes with it also. But that is the GoPro Hero 13 unboxing. And we're going to show you guys how to use this thing. I'm going to go through a whole bunch of videos with it. So get ready. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out. 13.